Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Avinash. I'm from Gujarat, India, and I'm software developer currently working in a tech startup. So today we're gonna discuss about how to become the front-end developer, and also we will discuss about how to become the back-end developer. I will gonna give you my best recommended course from where you can learn about the front-end and back-end both as well. So let's get started. So guys, we will search the Coursera website. Coursera is an educational platform where you can earn a degree or you can learn from the professional courses. This platform give you the access to the foreign universities. So where you can learn the course and you can get your certificate. And if you do any degree or any course from here, it is very high credential, and if you show it in your resume, then company will definitely ask you for the interview. So guys, that's all about the Coursera. So till the site load, I will gonna tell you about the. So guys, we got our Meta front-end developer course here. So it's a professional certificate. You can see that. So what is the Meta? So first of all, Meta is a Facebook's updated name. Recently, Facebook updated his name from Facebook to the Meta. So this course is basically taught by the Meta staff itself. So whatever the engineers and developer working in the Meta currently, they are teaching in this course to you to become the front end developer. This course is specialized course, and in which you will have to complete the 9 courses to get the certificate of the Meta front end developer. So let's deep dive into the course. So guys, first of all, why I am suggesting you this course? Because most of the people I have seen who are completely beginner keep wasting their time in finding the top resources. They start learning from the one resources, and then they don't complete that course, and then they dive into the another course, and then into the another one course. So they keep changing the courses, and they don't complete the course, and they misled from their path and not able to learn effectively. So if you are someone whose goal is to become just a front end developer, if you decided to become the front end developer, you just have to complete this course. By the end of this course, you will get the certificate, as well as you will build the big project at the end of the course, and you will be able to get the job as soon as you complete the course. So let's further we will explore about this course. So launch your career as a front-end developer, build job-ready skills for in-demand career, and earn a credential from the Meta. No degree or prior experience required to get started. So you don't require any type of degree or any experience. If you are a completely new beginner who just wanted to become the developer, you can search this course in the Coursera and you can come here. So this certificate is shareable. This course is 100% online. You don't need to go anywhere. You can learn from this course by watching this at the comfort of your home. This is a complete beginner level course, approximately 7 months to complete. Suggested pace of the 6 hour per week. So this is completely a self-paced course. You have to give daily 1 hour, so it becomes the 6 hour per week. And if you give daily 1 hour, you will be able to complete this course by the end of the 7 month. So what skills, what you will learn? So this course is covering the basic of HTML, CSS. So HTML and CSS are basic fundamental language of the front end development. So if you learn HTML and CSS, then you can clone any website on the internet. So whatever the website you see on the internet, you can clone just by learning these both languages. If you wanted to clone of the Instagram, Misho clone, Amazon clone, you can clone any website on the internet just by learning these both two languages. Now JavaScript. So JavaScript is a very versatile language, very popular language. So by learning the JavaScript, you will add the plus point into your learning, and I can definitely guarantee you that if you know the JavaScript, you will get the easily job. Now talk about the React. So React is a JavaScript framework. So React is basically used for the small page application. So whatever the application you build, so it will be a one page application. And so for example, Twitter. So Twitter is a one page application in which site will not reload every time. You will find everything on that page by itself. You don't need to go to the other pages and all that. You have all the things on the same page. So that's all about the React. Now what is other thing? UI UX design, user interface. So UI is basically a user interface and UX is a user experience. So many time when you are purchasing a mobile, you have heard that this mobile phone having a amazing user interface, amazing user experience. So it's all about the web application, about the smoothness of the phone. So that's when UI UX design will come into the play. So if you are someone who is fascinated about the designing, so if you like to design the application, design the software, you are interested in the design, then you can learn the UI UX design, and then you can also take the job as a UI designer, UX designer. Now the what is the responsive web design? So responsive web design is simply when you build any website. So website, however the work into the laptop, it will not, it will same will work on the your mobile application. So basically your website or your application should work on every devices you have. So it's called the responsive web design because it changes its shape and all the things in whichever device you will open that. So it's called the, that is why it's called a responsive, responsive. It give response. Now the test driven development, so it's a bit advanced topic. You will learn when you work in the company how to do test the application and how to test your code. But luckily you get to learn here in this course object oriented programming. So this is one of the part of the CS fundamental. So if you are not someone who is from the CS background, this is going to be very much useful. So now let's talk about the apply learning project. So whatever the skills you will learn during this duration, you will going to apply that knowledge into the project. So here we have some projects, so that it will be going to, you going to apply this knowledge here. So, guys, as I told, Meta Frontend Developer Professional Certificate. So, how you gonna get this certificate? In this course, this is a specialized course. You to become the front-end developer from zero to the professional level, and by the completing it, you will get minimum 5 LPA of job. This is my guarantee. So, in this course, you have the 9 courses. So, so first course is the introduction to the front-end development. So this course will teach you what is the front end development and which languages use and how the front end development works. It will all be taught in this course. Now the second is the programming with JavaScript. So if you are someone who are new to the development, or if you are someone who is already a developer and wanted to brush up their knowledge and wanted to work as a JavaScript developer, highly I recommended you to accomplish this course and apply as a JavaScript developer job. Just by completing this one course, I can definitely guarantee you that you will got the job as a JavaScript developer. Now the version control system. So guys, what is a version control system? It's a Git and GitHub. It's a highly when you gonna work into the company, any company, they use their own version control system. So Git and GitHub are most famous version control system where we save the data code of the company and all that, and we work with the different developers. So that is Git and GitHub. So this is the most essential thing you have to learn. So now we will talk about the HTML and CSS. So as I talked earlier in this video, these HTML and CSS are the fundamental language for the front end development. And by learning this, you can build any static website. So static means it will be a static. It will not be an interactive website. You just build the structures and give the design just like that. Now the React basics. So in this course, you will learn about the JSX, React, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, so guys, currently I am myself, I am doing this course, React Basics. It's a very nice course, and the content is very good, and it's a very professional course, Advanced React. So here you will learn about the more advanced thing, and I think this course will be available in the November. And the best thing about this course is that it's the most updated course on the internet. You will not find the any updated course on the internet like this. This course is just recently launched, just before 3 4 months ago, I think. And this is the best updated course you will find on the internet. I seen lots of popular courses are made in the 2021 or 2022, and they almost because the React is updated, JavaScript is updated, lots of things are updated, and due to that, while learning that, you will not understand some terminology, and you will also follow some bad code practices if you learn from those courses. So if you learn from the updated course like this, you will definitely gonna learn the updated things. Now moving on to the principle of UX UI design. So if you are someone who is more interested into the building the beautiful website, beautiful web application, and you like to give the design, so this is for you. Just by doing this one course, you will be master of UI UX design, front-end developer Capstone project. So guys, this is the final project you will be doing at the end of your front-end developer course. Whatever the languages, frameworks you have learned during this course, it will gonna implement all the things in this project. So it will be going to very big project. And last but not the least, in the end, you will got the coding interview preparation, how to prepare for the interview, how to give the interview, that all we are cover into this course. So just by completing this one course, you will definitely becoming the front end developer, that I'll be guarantee you. Just follow this course, don't go anywhere else. If your only goal to become the front end developer, just to complete this course, do practice whatever the assignment ask in the this course, do that honestly, and I'm damn sure that you will become the front end developer in the span of the 7 months. So now let's talk about the backend developer course. So we will gonna cover that shortly. I'm not going to explain much in that, but let me find that out first. Where is the backend developer course? Meta Android developer. Okay, I think we need to search that. So this is the Meta backend developer course. Well, I myself, I have purchased this course, Meta Frontend Developer Professional Certificate course, and this Meta Backend Developer Professional Certificate course in my official Coursera account. So, if you are someone who only wanted to learn for, if you wanted to just learn the skills, you don't want the certificate, then you can enroll for free. You can watch all the videos and you can learn everything from here. You don't need to pay anything to them. But if you are someone who is professional doing job, I will suggest you to buy the subscription of the Coursera, and then after that complete the course. But if you're someone who is student and not able to pay the money, then you can do the click on the financial aid available, You can give the few answers. There will be a 2 to 3 question asked here, and you can tell them why you are not able to pay, you are student and all that. You can say that to him, and how this course will gonna help you to level up in your career. So now let's talk about the Meta Backend Developer Professional Certificate. So this course will require the 8 month of time to complete. This is a completely beginner level course. If your only aim is to become the backend developer, you don't need to learn the front end development. You don't need to learn anything. Just to start from here and just complete this course. So what you will learn in this course? So there are 10 courses in this backend developer specialized course. So first of all, you will get to know the what is the backend and how the backend work, programming in Python. So guys, there is always debate into the IT industry that JavaScript is better or Python. So I think JavaScript and Python are almost enemies. Most of the developer argue about that JavaScript is better or Python is better. I think both language are great in their own way. So yeah, and Python is very much user friendly. You will learn quickly uh, as compared to the JavaScript. So if your goal is to become the backend developer, I think this will be a great start for you. You will learn the version control system as we have seen in the front end developer course, introduction to the database for the backend development. So you have to work here with the database, whatever users data, companies data, whatever the data of the site application will be saving the database. So here you will learn about the database. So Django. So same as the React is a framework the JavaScript, and JavaScript is a language of the front end development. So here the Django is a web framework web framework of the Python. So guys, that's about the now that we will talk about the APIs. So you will learn about the APIs. So uh, this is all part of the backend and the full stack also. How you can build a full stack using the Django framework, cloud computing, backend developer Capstone, and coding interview preparation. So, guys, if you wanted to become the backend developer, I think this will be the best course which you can found on the internet. And that's all, guys. If you learn the front end and back end both, then it will require almost I think it's approximately 8 months to complete. So if you complete this both course, I think if you give daily 2 to 3 hours daily, then I think you'll be able to complete this both course in 1 year, and you can become the full stack developer. But as a to become the full stack developer, there are other courses. I mean, there are other paths. If you don't wanted to learn the Python, and if you don't wanted to learn the Django, there are other alternatives which is called the Monstack, which I have learned. So in that you have to learn the Node.js for the backend development. But I will suggest that if your goal is to just to become the backend developer, I think this will be the very best course, because Python is in very much demand currently in India, in Bangalore, very much in demand. If you know the Python and Django, they will hire you for definitely. And other advice is that backend development is in high demand as compared to the front end. And if you wanted to become the front end developer, then make your React and React Advance very much strong, so and JavaScript strong. So just by doing that, you will get the very high good paying job. So that's all about the front end and back end. If you can learn using the Coursera, and you will also get the certificate. And Coursera certificate is very much worth it. So if you guys you have any question regarding the learning about language learning or anything else, you can drop down the comment section. And apart from that, my health is not good since last 2 days. I'm sorry for the interruption in between, but yeah. So I had a fever today, so I am not well. Still, I'm recording this video. So if you have any question, you can join our Discord community. be the first member to join our Discord community. If you join our Discord community, will grow slowly. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. I have 8 to 9 thousand of follower there. Uh, you can connect with me on Twitter as well. And also you can DM me on Instagram if you have any question regarding anything about language learning or web development or about career. Just reach me out on the Insta, Twitter, anywhere. And that's all for now, guys. Keep supporting to our channel. And whatever you like about the video, comment down. If you don't like something else, so comment that down and let me know what are you doing this weekend. I'm going to rest this weekend because I'm sick, and I'm thinking to start one web series which I recently suggested by one of the good YouTuber on the YouTube. So it was a Mr. Robot. It's a cyber security web series. I think it's a very famous web series. So I'm thinking to start that web series on Sunday tomorrow. So and I will take out some time for myself to chill out. So guys, enjoy your weekend, and if you have any question or anything else, just drop down here. If you like the video, share, subscribe with your friends and family, and that's it, guys. See you in the next video.